With change comes opportunity. There is definitely need for improvement in our industry. I think they're missing the boat on things that need improvement. But anyway, we'll start with what we've got. Basically, lean in. The ones that are going to get weeded out first, in my opinion, are the ones who have been saying that buyer's agents are free all along, okay? Because in my mind, first of all, it's not true. It's never been true. The reality is agents are paid out of the transaction. At the end of the day, it really is paid by both. I think that it is a disadvantage for buyers, particularly buyers that, really are more strapped for cash, because when it comes to the closing, at closing, the sellers are generally getting the cash from the sale, so they have the cash in pocket. So I think that something that really is going to need to be looked at in the mortgage industry is to fold in the cost of a buyer's agent into the loan, or in some way, because if not, I think there's going to be quite a few buyers that are going to have to forego representation. And unfortunately, I think that will broaden the divide between have and have-nots. I think that transparency is good, and that's something that I've been trying to do in the posts that I do and in the content that I share. I do think the bar should be raised for the requirements to become a realtor. I think it's way too easy to become a realtor, quite frankly. You take some classes, and all of a sudden you are helping people to negotiate what is, for most, the largest investment. I just think that that's kind of scary if you think about that. And I think that there are people that don't realize the importance of aligning with someone that really knows what they're doing until they're actually already in the transaction. And then it's kind of like too late, you're in it type of thing. I will agree that the commission system as we have set up is flawed. Personally, I don't think I should be paid the same as a realtor that has fingers in pictures, just for one example, among many other examples. The reality is we have had a historic supply and demand issue, and I will tell you that buyer's agents in particular, when I be working with buyers, I was spending 3, 4, 5 times as much time as I would in a normal market, and going across, I was in 4 counties with my buyers at one point because of the inventory shortage, and then when a buyer would lose a bidding war, you're starting all over again. Personally, I feel like I've earned my keep.